Hello and welcome. Today we have Pooja Swami with us. Pooja, we welcome you, and first of all, I would like to congratulate you for clearing your UGC NET exam in 2020. Considering it's a recent news, how do you feel about
Thank
it?
you so much. I'm feeling so great. I'm like at that time when my result was announced, I was like feeling on cloud nine. Like in first attempt to clear your net exam, it's an achievement itself. So like I'm feeling so happy.
Uh, Again, Pooja, it was 2020 period, coronavirus period, everything was under lockdown. What motivated you to, get out of the bed and prepare for the exam?
Actually, at that time, we all were stuck in our homes, and there were also people suffering from the negativity, and there were so many things what that was happening around. But study is something I really relate to, and I was like, okay, I have to clear my net in my first attempt. It's just like I have to give my 100%, and the results are rest in the God's hands. So I was doing it with that attitude. So I was like, no, if I have the time, if the exam is getting delayed, by the time the notifications were coming time and again that the exam is getting delayed. So I was like, okay, now if I'm having the time, I have to do my best. And then I came across the Human Peritus advertisement on YouTube, and I click on that video, and I was so encouraged and so inspired by your, like, whatever you were saying, your results. So I was completely boost up to order that Human Peritus material, and I ordered that. And when I saw that material, I was so like, there were some theories, there were some concepts which I've never studied even in my masters. So I was like so happy, and that material also boosted me, like I have this much enough material, study material, so I should go for it. I have something extra other than other candidates, those who are not having Human Peritus material, so I should definitely give my 100%. So I was like continuously studying for like 4 to 5 months. Well, I was preparing for like December last, but in between I didn't get that time. But my serious study started in May, when I ordered the material from Human Peritus. From then I was like bang on, like studying from morning to like complete at night 10 or 11. And I was like till last date of the exam, I was like, I don't know my sleep, what I can do in my capacity, I will do it. And then the result are here. My hard work came off, pay me off, and I'm so happy with my results. So this was the material, my inner dedication, which like keep me motivated throughout the time, like I have to do it, because the career after clearing net is very bright for the students.
Yes, you said. So, before we get into this, I would like to know more about you. Where are you from, and about your education, and a little bit about your future endeavors.
Yeah. I belong to Sirsa from Haryana. It's a very small district from Haryana, and I've done my graduation from Chaudhary Devi Lal University in Sirsa, and masters like MBA from that university as well. And during my MBA, I was very inspired with the lifestyle of my professors, and I was also very acknowledged for my presentations. So they also guided me that I should go in this field. So that's why I opted for this, and yeah, now I'm doing it. And for my future, I would say yes, my plans are to pursue PhD and then being a good professor in a good university.
To add, Pooja, you also mentioned that the your career is very bright after clearing your NET exam. So, have you seen a change in the number of opportunities you've received after you've cleared the NET exam?
Yeah. Within a just like in just a week, I was selected as an assistant professor in a college. Like on 30th, my exam result was announced, and on 7th, I was an assistant professor in a college. So definitely, it is just within like few days, your destiny is changed.
called the competitive exam for no other reason. I mean, it brings out, it takes out, it chooses, some talented minds. Well, and these talented
Exactly.
minds, they go up and they, some choose to become a professor and they shape the young minds.
Yeah.
It's another, it's like giving back to the society. Well, Pooja,
Exactly. That is really good.
yeah. I would like to know about, do you have any tips that you would like to share the students who are going to sit for the upcoming papers? You cleared your paper in the first
Yeah,
try
yeah,
and you were dedicated. Do you have any tips
yeah.
that you would like to tell the students while preparing for the exam?
Yeah, sure. Definitely, I would like to share some few tips, like few mistakes which I did. I don't want the other net aspirants to do the same, so that they can save up on their time. Like my favorite topic is like current affairs. Like I'm really interested in current affairs. So my like I was spending very much time in noting it down the current affairs. But what I experienced in exam was like current affair was not that much asked. Like even I think one or two questions hardly. So I would suggest don't spend your that much time on current affairs. Like do your concepts, your paper 2 subject very well. And yes, paper 1 is a game changer. Like paper 1, students generally take the paper 1 for granted and they keep on focusing on paper 2. So that's, I would like to say that keep the paper 1 also in your hand simultaneously with paper 2. And yeah, you can also take help from the free platforms. Like we have YouTube, an academy. You don't have to take subscription, but only the free classes will be really helpful to you if you follow a very good educator. So I also took help from those free platforms as well. They helped me a lot. And yeah, that's it, I think. And follow the human peritus material seriously. You are good to go. If you are serious, committed, dedicated, you have human peritus material. And you can take help from free platforms, YouTube, an academy, and many other. You can crack it in first attempt. No such big issues. There is nothing like this. You can easily crack it. Yeah.
Well, Pooja, I would say, your dedication really paid you off. You carved
Exactly.
a career for yourself, which is such a great thing. You are such an achievement for all the students who will be listening to you.
One more thing I would like to say, that's just like cut off your like all the social media apps. I mean, if you can, like what I did, my Instagram, WhatsApp. In fact, in the last 25 days, even I uninstalled the WhatsApp so that I could focus more on my studies. So if you can stay away from social media, that will also help you to focus, to concentrate more on your studies. So it is the great tip. I think if you can do it, your concepts will be in your mind, I think. Yeah, thank you.
Definitely. Pooja, thank you so much for these useful and insightful information and sharing your experience with us. Again, I would say congratulations for clearing your exam. And I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Thank you so much for talking with me today. Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you so much.